So, Apalachicola, the latch, Appalach, many a name, oystering boat. See how that's all done there. The pilot house, usually a tiller steer to get out of the weather. Two by, oof. Yeah, looks like a 2 by, or yeah, true 2 by 4. True 2 by 4 for sure. Framed up. Plywood transom, all painted, no glass whatsoever. Flat transom. Going into a slight V. It looks like they strip on top with the plywood stripping over the seam at the V and then cover it over with wood and put a little metal piece there. See the V straight line to about 3/4. It looks like a straight line to where the bow starts to make the bend. Straight line to where the bow starts to make the bend. And then they start to sweep it up. That looks to me to be like, oh, 4 about 6 inches on the V. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. And then they just, it looks like nails. That's it. They just nail it. Build it, nail it, paint it, go with it. Nothing fancy. You see the plywood checking. I reckon they don't care. Half-inch ply for the pilot house. I wonder if that's what the walls are too. Interesting. Good stuff. There you go. An Apalachicola, Florida oystering boat. Big classic lines.